So I was sitting here today. I was a little bored. I got a spoon in my hand because I'm getting ready to eat some chili. Uh, just kind of bored sitting here. You know, I was looking on my cell phone, looking at YouTube and looking at all kinds of different things. There's always good chili on the lid, isn't there? Don't let it go to waste. Okay. Let me put that over here. That's a good spot. Anyway, just looking at all kinds of stuff. It's after Thanksgiving now. There's tons and tons and tons of videos on how to make cornbread dressing, how to cook your turkey, how to make pies, do this and do that. Different versions and everything. Well, today I am eating Thanksgiving chili. Well, it's leftover from Thanksgiving. It was actually made yesterday, which is the day after Thanksgiving. Smells so good. Wonderful, wonderful. So anyway, I'm sitting here. Looks like, I don't know, looks like everybody in the world wants to know what's going on. I want to know what's going on. So, I'm sitting here trying to figure out what's going on. And I'm looking at some of this stuff. And on one hand, a lot of people are saying, looks like Trump's going to be winning this and he's going to be winning that. On the other hand, these other things are saying, Trump's losing, Trump's an idiot, he's doing this, he's doing that, I saw some meringue banana pudding on here. Made me hungry. Makes me want to go home and get some banana pudding, some good homemade banana pudding, that's for sure. But you know what I got at home? I got homemade pumpkin pie waiting on me. And that's some good stuff. But anyway, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I just wanted to say that I didn't want to forget that. Homemade biscuits, homemade whole wheat bread, cheese bread, delicious and fluffy. How to make fluffy biscuits, garlic bread, delicious cornbread dressing, sweet potato pies, creamy zucchini with sauce, 2-ingredient biscuits, Thanksgiving side with mac and cheese, loaded green bean casserole, how to make easy homemade lemon chess pie. That sounds good. That one's done by In the Kitchen with Dowling. You need to look that one up. How to make easy homemade lemon chess pie. Man, that looks good. Making my mouth water thinking about homemade lemon chess pie. All right. What else we got here? Looks like somebody made pizza for Thanksgiving. Somebody made juicy turkey for Thanksgiving. Somebody made a bunch of dinner rolls. Somebody made Hawaiian pineapple chicken. All kinds of good food. Sweet potato pie, sweet chess pie, southern lemon pie. Don't forget that easy homemade lemon chess pie. Go to that channel. That channel is called In the Kitchen with Dallene. It's spelled Dallene. Good stuff. All right. Now, what else we got going on here? Gee, I wonder what President Trump ate for Thanksgiving. I wonder if I wonder if it was that turkey. I'm gonna get a bite of chili. That's good stuff. Yum. Looks like they're having a political roundup. New evidence could lead to win. New evidence could lead to a win in Pennsylvania for Trump. Well, man, there's all kinds of stuff on here to look at. I just got to be careful. Prince Charles is worried about a movie that's going to be on called The Crown, and he's worried about how Princess Diana would be portrayed in that movie. Well, looks like socialists must be stopped. Giuliani attends election hearing in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, and apparently a judge has ruled in his favor. Looks like the governor of Michigan, I can't think of her name. That's one thing about her, you can never remember her name. Anyway, looks like they're going to give her the boot, meaning they're going to pop her out of office. They're figuring out that some of these governors are little dictators. They want to tell everybody what to do, even if it's unconstitutional. They want to run everybody's lives. And apparently she's one of them. All right. Trump heads to Supreme Court to win Georgia. Dominion, the company that did the voting machines, that glitch in their system could lead to a Trump win. I wonder where all those machines have been. Which states do they use those in? I wonder if they use those in California. That could be part of what they're going after in California. Because I heard, there's a rumor, I don't know if it's true, but I heard that they have detained several people because of that. See what else is going on here. All right. Trump takes Georgia, Pennsylvania, Michigan, and Arizona to court to win the election. I'm going to get another bite of chili. Man, this is good stuff. I'm glad y'all can, join me for my chili. Oh boy. I'm going to do 2 bites on this. Well, that's good stuff. I didn't realize I was so hungry. Sorry about talking with my mouth full. That looks like a good video to watch. I don't think I'm going to watch it right now, though. The monolith out in Utah. Somebody said that it looked like it's sitting on ley lines. And ley lines are lines that, they're not really on the planet, but they're on maps and things that they'll be lined up to kind of line up different paths and coordinating, different spots on the planet. And somebody said that this monolith sits at one of those ley line conjunctions. I don't know if it's true or not, but I'm going to investigate it. My form of investigation is just getting on YouTube and browsing around. But as people investigate that, they'll go figure out what's going on with it. And if they happen to find any more out and about, that's really going to that is really going to bring some questions to everybody's mind, and they're going to be really on top of all these things and trying to figure them all out. Oh, jeez. All right. Well, I'm going to get busy and eat my chili. I got a big bowl over here, and I am hungry. Man, a few bites of that and let me know exactly how hungry I am. All right, so you know what to do. I'll talk to you later. Bye.